We're back.
Hello.
Hello. We're just gonna do a small trip to a trail because we want to, and I'm gonna vlog it because I can.
Alright.
So it's called Cress Creek Trail, and it's green.
Oh.
in Rexburg, Idaho?
I don't know where it is.
I think it's in Rexburg.
Somewhere around here.
I think it's Rexburg, but it's just outside of Rexburg if I'm wrong. We just got our Great Scots. And
she remembered your entire order that time.
I know.
She like got it down.
I don't know if that's bad or not.
I wouldn't say it's bad.
We're regulars.
We are regulars.
We'll catch you guys there when we're there.
Yep.
Yep.
First we gotta go get some gas and inflate my tire.
Yep. Those are important.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Found an off trail. That's the main trail, and then we found this one. This one's pretty steep. I'm out of breath.
Mm-hmm.
How you doing, sir?
I'm fine.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a little out of breath, but
I'm out of breath.
you're very
I'm completely out of breath, but look how beautiful that is. Last time we recorded, we were like right there. We haven't made that far because I'm weak.
Yeah, you're fine.
But we have this long tube. We're going up, and I think
It's gonna meet with the trail somewhere, I'm sure.
I think it's right there because I see a sign right there. Right there's a sign. We can either go all the way up and then come back down and then meet back on the trail, or we can just come back.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Look at that handsome man. I'm out of breath. We're on like literally almost to the top of this mountain, I swear. But yeah, we're just taking a breather on this rock because your girl tired.
I'm tired too, actually.
You're not showing it very well.
Well, whoops.
But yeah, we're just taking a breather. We're almost to the top, we think. It's just a lot of more uphill to go because we went down this front. We came from here and we're going all the way uphill. We'll see. So we'll just chill till we're ready.
This is dope.
This is. We want to go up that way or this way?
I don't know. I'd like to get on top of these rocks and just look for a minute.
Okay. That was the telephone. That was the. Well, now what? Please be careful. Ah, my hat. So we don't know where we are, but we found a road.
Yep. And irrigation pipes. Probably by somebody's farm.
Yeah. So.
Not if we're lost. I was a little worried about that first. It's like, obviously, we're never going to be lost just because, like, we can see where the parking lot is and stuff.
Yeah.
And if need be, we can always like bushwhack down, but
I prefer not to.
bushwhacking is a little sketch sometimes.
Yeah. But we found a road, so we're heading back down. But we got some cool pics. Right?
Yep.
But yeah, so here's the road. Flowers. Okay, so that's the pipe and we're trying to find it. So then we can get back to where we were.
We looked at a map and we noticed that there's all this thick green stuff. And then once we can get back around this thick green stuff, it should be the pipe. And the pipe's pretty clear, so we can just follow it down.
Yeah, if we just hold on to the pipe, hopefully we won't slip. We're going off-road. Woo!
Hold on to the iron rod.
Hey!
Literally.
Hey, that looks stable. So that's weird. In the middle of the side of a mountain. But we literally came down here. It's not been too bad. We slept a little bit. There's the main trail that's paved over there. I think we're doing pretty good. Crazy. And unfortunately I have to go to work. So we're heading back down so I can go to work and I don't want to. Oh well. Hey guys, so we made it.
We did it.
We're back at that sign that we saw earlier. We're back on a normal trail. We did it. Woo! Woo! Now it's back down the trail.
Woo!
Some hard work pays off with a nice waterfall.
What in the world?
What?
The balloon back there.
Oh, where?
Yeah, like right over here.
Oh, right there.
That's weird.
Okay, guys, literally, that's where we were. All the way up there. Now we're back down here. And
Yep.
ending our hike.
Yeah, we just gotta head back down this way now.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you back at the car unless we find something interesting. We made it.
We did it!
Now we're gonna get food and chill before I have to go to work. Right?
Woo!
Show off.
The camera couldn't even tell I was doing that.
Okay, we'll see you back in Rexburg. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. Well, thanks for joining us on our little hike or mountain climb, whichever way you want to put it. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.